Hey guys, welcome in today's video. We are going to be going over the advantages to using the new and improved Yukfues Ultimate Optimization Utility. Guys, this application that I have built is fairly insane. Some of the features I'm going to read off some of the features right now that I put inside of this app for you guys, just to give you an idea of like where we stand and where we're at currently. We've got over 188 tweaks across 13 different categories. I've included different presets and the ability to export your presets. So if you have a friend that wants to use the application as well, you can export your select set of tweaks and you can send them to your friend. He can import them in and do exactly the exact same thing you have without you having to take 2 hours telling your buddy how to run his tweaks. I know we all hate that, don't we? I'm just kidding. We don't hate it. We don't hate it at all. So we've got different presets. We've got a game mode, core analyzer, which is going to run the tests to see exactly how to set custom CPU affinities on your PC for your game. Guys, this is an advanced method of decreasing latency and stabilizing frame times that a lot of pros do not talk about enough. And the ones that are doing it aren't going to share it with you. But I don't play comp Fortnite, so I don't care about that. I'm here to help you. So use the core analyzer. Make sure that you do it after applying the full send tweaks and a full restart of your PC. Um, there's a network tab where you can manage your buffer bloat, run buffer bloat tests, change settings, restart your adapter, and rerun buffer bloat tests all in one area so that you can make sure that you have the best network settings. I've also unlocked every hidden network setting inside of your driver and inside the registry for you to play around with to customize your driver to the best of your ability. Okay. You're also going to get my custom pro power plan. There's a restore center that allows you to revert every tweak in groups, sections, or one by one. So if there's something you did and you didn't know it was going to happen, you want to go back and undo it, you can go back and undo it one by one. Uh, there's different tools that I've also bundled in. We've got Cat Frame X, Latency Mon, Auto GPU Affinity, Interrupt Affinity Tool, Windows Update Blocker, NVIDIA Profile Inspector, and Intelligent Standby List Cleaner for lowering system timer resolution. Guys, all of these apps are well known in the community. They are open source and free. And I want to give credit to everyone inside the app. I've also given credit to everyone that created those apps as well. And I hope that you guys go support and follow them in their journeys also. I wanted you guys to have access to what they have because it's just amazing. We have custom themes for the app. You're able to perform a custom baseline. So you can perform a benchmark and a test at the beginning when you open the app to see where you started from, and after the tweaks, test again to see where you're at currently. Okay. Um, we've got different diagnostic scans. Everything's verified very thoroughly. Let's see here. Okay, so rolling into the next part of the video, it's something I want you guys can obviously tell I'm not playing right here. We're actually watching a Division 1 Fortnite pro. His name is Sonder Grinds. Sonder Grinds is recently reached out to me, grabbed my tweaks, grabbed my new tweaking app, and has now become an affiliate to the program. So if you guys want to throw him some support, he's gonna have a link on his YouTube and his TikTok channel. Go buy it through his affiliate link. But for right now, all you need to know about this man is he got 54th in the Reload Duos Victory Cup. Okay. And then he got second place in the Solo Ranked Cup, literally days after applying the tweaks and the optimizations from inside of my new application. Okay. Um, let me go ahead. Let me minimize the yuck food here so we can see here. There he is, right there. Sondergrind's got second place in the rank cup recently. Where's your reload cup placement? I was so proud of you for that, man. You guys out here grinding it. Like people don't realize what some of you kids put into this game. It really is crazy. Mm-hmm. That's just crazy looking at these numbers. Absolute, absolute insanity. Okay, so now here's what we're gonna do. Sonder is actually gonna walk you guys through. Go ahead and close Fortnite, Sonder. So I'm just going to walk you guys through what it's like to apply the tweaks and run my tweaking utility. So go ahead and open the application for me there, bud. Yeah, run it as administrator.
184 out of 188. The reason that is because when you apply the full send, sometimes depending on your PC, you might have an Intel or you might have Ryzen. It just all depends. Sometimes they're not all going to apply. It applies what's best for you. So
Yeah.
basically, you're going to go down, hit apply full send. You're going to just type out all caps full send, and then you're going to hit apply full send, and it's going to show you
Right here, there's a
everything.
menu. Yeah, go ahead and expand this menu out a little bit. If you make it a little larger for me. This menu right here, guys. Once you click one of the presets, it's going to show you a list of each tweak individually. So scroll through here, and if there's something that is about to be applied that you don't personally want, just make sure to uncheck this, and it'll remove it from the preset as well. So even though it's a preset, I still wanted to give you guys a little bit of customization ability here, so that you could, make sure that you're not doing something that you don't want to do. Okay. Go ahead and hit apply selected. Let's run it.
And it also tells you everything
Yeah.
within each.
Gives you a little description of it too.
It's going to create a restore point.
First thing it does is creates a restore point. If anything happens and you don't like it, and in the reverts or something's happening inside the restore tool, is it going your way? You can always go to the Windows button, type the word create a restore point, and open your restore center and do a system restore point, because we ran one before we did anything. So you always have a safe journey back.
Yep. So everything's. I don't know if it's gonna apply because they're already all applied.
Yeah, he's already
But
applied, so it's ran through a little bit faster, guys. It's gonna take about 5 minutes for you, so just let it sit here and run. There should be a little message that pops up at the end, and then you'll be good to go. Once you've done this, Saunders not going to do it here because he's live on video, but you're going to do just a full restart on your PC, restart the PC, and come back. Once you come back in, I want you to open the app, and then we're going to run the second part. And that's, well, actually, the second part is going to be the audio. So listen, guys, this is very something I don't know if other people are helping you guys with, but at the top here, you notice Yukfues footstep audio profile. Um, I've actually bundled in my custom audio profile for being able to hear footsteps, uh, better. Your headset will get a little bit louder. Your footstep like audio is just going to be so much more pronounced. You're going to hear players better. You're going to be more accurate in game, just because of the decisions you're able to make due to more accurate, headset performance. So all you have to do is click apply profile here. Now Saunders already done this. Go ahead and click it and let's see what happens, Saunders.
I clicked it. It shows at the bottom applying audio profile, and
Okay,
it's
so
now
it's not.
active.
Okay, so it applied it and it's not active. So for you guys, there's actually going to be a pop-up window that asks if you're okay with installing Equalizer APO. Go check out the software. It's just a software that allows you to bind different equalizer profiles to your audio driver. And as long as you're within a certain realm, it's perfectly safe and really great to use because it's low latency, and it's a better path of doing so than downloading an application and running in the background so that you can get better footsteps. Some app that rhymes with BB makes you do that. Just saying, and uses like a gig of RAM. Not throwing shade towards anybody, but I think their name rhymes with Feel Beeries. Feel Beeries. BB. I don't know. It's an app like that. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so uh he's applied the audio profile. He's good to go. If you guys want to go ahead and check to see if your tournament ready after the tweaks, go ahead and click BIOS Advisor right there. It's the last tab
Uh,
there, Sonder.
uh, Last tab.
Right there,
Oh
right
yeah.
there. There we
Okay.
go. So at the BIOS Advisor, it's going to run a few things, and then it's going to let you know whether or not TPM's enabled, virtualization's enabled, what your current BIOS state is, version, all those other good little details of your system, that you'd like to have access to very easily, especially for you tournament guys. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have Sonder run the core analyzer. This application right here is a bundle of DPC latency tests and other latency measurement metrics that have been compiled together, also combined with utilizing an application by Valley of Doom called Auto GPU Affinity to calculate and coordinate and automatically place custom core bindings and CPU core bindings on different devices inside your computer so that you can have the ultimate lowest latency and the best performance, the most consistent shot registration out of each game that you play. So he's going to click run full interrupt analysis. And you guys are going to see what happens here. He's already ran it before, so it's going to record your different sessions, guys. Um, it runs the DPC test first, so we're going to run it first. It runs silently in the background, so not a lot of noise going on. The next thing that's going to pop up is the Valley of Doom application. It may let us watch this. It may pause his stream for good. Let's see. Let's see if it lets us.
I
Let's see
think
if
it's
it lets
just
us watch.
pause.
Yeah, I think it paused the stream. So,
Let me restream.
so basically, guys, it's gonna pop up an application like this, just like this, called the lava triangle, and it's gonna measure each individualized frame for highs, lows, latencies, various other tidbits of information that we're gonna all compile together at the end inside the application to recommend which cores for us to bind things to. Okay. Um, now I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna let this test run out, but you're gonna see us fast forward and not chat for a moment. It's just gonna be like, like really fast, like okay. So just that's coming right now. But another thing, just remember your screen's gonna blink a bunch during this. Your screen's blinking because it takes your GPU and places it on a different core individually each time. The more cores you have, the more times it does it. Test takes anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. His screen just blinked. You saw it live. You saw it live. All right, now you're just going to see a bunch of until he gets his core CPU core affinity recommendations at the end. Okay. When it's done, guys, it's going to show you something just like this. And yeah, I don't know if you counted, that was 100 push-ups with V sits on a stability ball in between. No big deal. Press enter here. Click on the black screen. Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
Okay, so it'll show the results right there. If you guys scroll down, it's going to give core recommendations. And then all you have to do is click apply all the affinities, and you guys are good to go. It looks like it selected, yeah. So yeah, you'll just click apply all three affinities, and then it'll do it. It'll do it for you, and you're good to go. Go ahead and close this for us. All right, awesome. Just a real quick, click on the home page there on the home tab all the way to the left. So on this front home tab here, guys, you're also going to notice that it's got some system information, stuff about your PC, stuff you need to know to access easily. You've also got a run benchmark tab. Go ahead and I want you to activate the game mode for me, Sonder.
You.
Good, great. Oh, he's already on. Okay, hit run benchmark. Let's run a benchmark. Nice, nice. We stay in that 890 to 906 range. So it does take an active test based on what's going on. Currently, Saunders streaming in Discord, so it's a little bit lower than what it is when his system's off and he's just doing a bench. But still not bad to almost perform the same numbers while you're streaming in Discord. I
I
like it.
didn't, and I didn't reset my PC after I was done.
Yeah. Okay. So next we'll you can close out of this. So there's your benchmark tool, guys. Click on the quick launch. Quick launch is another feature that I've added for you guys. It just gives you quick access to anywhere in your PC. All this stuff is stuff you typically need to find or type in. I know it's a little bit hard for some of you guys to find that stuff. So I set up a quick launch that makes it easy. Last thing I'll go over, probably one of my coolest features, is the color themes at the top right. We've got different themes that you guys can choose from to kind of customize this app a little bit more. Personally, my favorite's this one right here, the third one. Um, yeah, this one's by far my favorite. I think it looks so cool. It's like a Joker theme. Uh, go ahead and go through the next ones. We've got a Matrix theme and even a theme for the ladies. We've got a Sakura theme. And if you can't find your perfect colors, put them in there yourself. make this app your own. So that's basically it. That's what I have to offer. This app is $19.99. There is a free version available as well. I'm going to link the free version and the paid versions links in the video description below, or you guys can find them at www.yukfue.io. If you guys want to support Sonder in his pro FNCS journey, he gets $6 of every sale if you become an affiliate. We give away 30% commissions over here. So he'll get $6 a sale. Go find him on YouTube and TikTok at Sonder Grinds, and make sure to buy through his link. And but you guys, thank you so much for everything you've done. Thank you for giving me a chance to be an application on your PC. I'm at the end of the day, I'm just an old redneck that used to own a gym and now plays Fortnite, streams, changes PCs, and helps pro gamers. And life is a beautiful journey sometimes, and I'm glad I've landed where I'm at. So thank you guys for giving me the support you've given me, and thank you Sonder for helping me out. Big thank you to Sonder for helping me out in this video.
Thank you.
Also wanted to shout you out, man. You've been doing great lately. You guys keep an eye on Sonder. You're gonna see his name a lot. And until the next video,
Peace.
Yukfu's out.